Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So my name is Aarti and I am an artist and creator at Rawat Craft. So today I am here to showcase some of my art pieces that are really exclusive, and it took a lot of time to me to create all those art pieces, and I will also discuss with you all the making and the thought process behind it. And so I think now I can just start on. So I will show you the very first one. uh, that is a boat. As you all can see this, that's a boat. So the thought process behind this was, I was just scrolling the internet and just came through the picture of a boat, and so I thought of making a boat. But the challenging part here was the water part, because I was not sure that how to make the water like realistic, so that it can look like the real water waves going on. So this was really challenging for me at the very first time, because I need to think a lot that how I need to do that. But then I just started, and it I think came out very beautifully. The boat, for the boat I have chosen this orange shade, so that it can give a brighter look to this boat. And for the water I have taken the blue shade, because generally we use blue for the water, and in between I have mixed two shades of one shade of blue, and the other is some creamy shade. Okay, so basically so that it can give you a wavery kind of a look, like the waves or in the ocean or maybe river. So this was my piece that I wanted to share with you all. And the second one is, it's still not framed. I have just completed it, and it is for a restaurant. And this is like this. So this is the piece I have recently created for a restaurant with the name of Moits, and I just tried to give it the full look of restaurant, like it's basically a non-veg restaurant. So I have tried to came up with all these things. And here I have chosen this pattern so that the name of the restaurant can be visible clearly, as we can see the name very clearly. So I have came up with this. Then I have tried to design a bowl, ice cream, and all those stuffs which is generally available there. So this is the second piece I have created recently, and it took me really a lot of time, because the main time that goes in is about thinking for the designing, that how you need to design. So if you are a newcomer at this art, and all this is made out of paper and just out of paper, I haven't used any colors here. So it is totally paper strips that I have used, and the paper, nothing else. So for making this, like the main time which goes is about thinking about the design, that how you need to design it. So it was for a restaurant, so I came up with all these things. So firstly you need to think that for which purpose you are making all these things. Like I made it for a restaurant, so I tried to give it full that kind of a look. And like if you are making it for some person, then you can add on the things that person like, or maybe the vibrant colors and all. You can just take the references, and this is these are all my designs. I haven't copied them from anywhere else. So it's best to come up with your own designs, and to so here you can show your creative side. So you can just think on, and you will definitely get an idea. And this is the second one I have created. uh, and for the boat, if you want the making of that boat, that is also available on my channel. I will give you the description below. Now I will show you my third and last piece for this video. So this is kind of something related to our gods. So I have tried to create this Om. And this is also totally made up of paper. It is framed now, as you all can see. So this was the piece that I made during all those these quarantine days. So this is really special because it took a lot of time to me. Actually, every piece takes a lot of time. uh, they all take around 4 to 5 days and maybe week. This took me more than a week because this designing and even this is very intricate. These two designs are very intricate because here, like you can see, you can clearly see the name coming out. So I need to fill all that part so that you can clearly see the name. So it really takes a lot of time because you need to do it carefully so that the glue doesn't get just spoiled and all. So you need to make it very carefully. And this I made, this was like I wanted to create something with the Om. So I thought of that, why not, because there were two pieces in my mind. One was the Om and other one was the sun. So I thought of just came up with collaborating these two. So I just came up with this one. Here you can see it's kind of a you can see the look of sun here. And here also in between I have used two shades of orange so that it can just give you a shaded effect. And for this part also I have used some yellow and then in between the orange just for the shading part, because we are not using colors here, we are just using the papers. So papers, if we are using, then we need to use two colors so that it can give you a 3D kind of a look or a shading kind of a look. So this was my third piece. And this is also really very intricate because here also you can see the Om clearly visible. So it just takes a lot of effort and time. And with that, the most important thing is patience. You need to be really patient. And for this boat, you can find the video at my YouTube channel. I will provide you the link below. And these three are the art pieces which I am showing you here. And for more of these pieces, you can just see my Instagram and Facebook page. There also I have shown almost all of my art pieces there. And this is the customized one. So I also make customized art pieces. And for more details, you can contact me on Instagram or Facebook, and you can also comment below for your feedback. So I think this was it for this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are new here, then please do subscribe to our channel, and we'll be coming up with more tutorial videos here. So thank you so much for watching this, and we'll meet you soon again. Thank you so much.